Hello everyone, I've been out sick for a while, but while I was recovering, I had a great idea for a new project. So today, let's talk about it. Hello everyone, I am CS the Viking Gamer. This is Tengu. He's going to be joining us for at least part of today. So while I was out sick and kind of recovering and getting over all of that, I had an idea for a new project. I've been building a few different pieces of terrain here and there. I've got a city, I've got a sewer system, and I've got a few buildings. What I don't have is a wizard tower. So I looked through all the random bits of stuff that I've kind of collected and had laying around, and I think I've got everything I'm going to need to build a pretty decent wizard tower. But I don't want to just build an empty cylinder with just exterior. I want it to have a playable interior. So that's kind of what I'm going to be working on for the next few weeks. And I kind of want to talk about how the design is going to go and what I'm intending with everything. So we're going to go over a little bit of that while I... Hello, kitty. While I show you some initial sketches of what it is that I've kind of got planned out. Now, I want the build to be relatively contained, so I'm going to build it on a clipboard. This is going to help maintain modularity, and it'll just kind of let me move it around between different builds, and if the entire thing is built on top of one single board like this, then I'm going to be able to use it in kind of any setting. And what I've kind of got envisioned is a round tower with a kind of squared off entry hall leading into it, with a smaller stairwell off to the side. And then I thought, instead of just having a flat kind of ground piece to go around it, why not elevate it up just a little bit? Since I've got some 1-inch foam, I think that'll kind of create a little bit of an elevated position and just kind of make everything look a little bit more interesting. And then while I'm at it, let's add in a slightly smaller kind of ledge, and then have some stairs coming down off of that, leading up to the main area. And since there's going to be a little bit of room, maybe add in a nice little sitting area, maybe a tree or two. So once I had the rough design of the base kind of figured out and knew what it was that I wanted, I grabbed out a sketch pad and started going to town doing up a bunch of different designs of what it was that I thought I was going to want and how everything was going to look when it was all put together. Now, I want each floor of the tower to kind of have its own little theme and significance, so each of the floors is going to be as unique as I can make it. There's going to be a few repeating things like windows and things like that, but all in all, I want each floor to kind of look like its own different environment. So for the ground floor, I decided to kind of make just a simple little entryway, maybe a storage room kind of in the base of the tower itself. So kind of putting together a little bit of a sitting area, maybe kind of try my hand at putting together a kitchen or something like that. Now, as far as the rest of the floors go, I was kind of at a loss at first, so I just started drawing out the floors and just kind of laying out a few random little things to kind of put in them. And what I kind of came up with was each floor, aside from the ground floor, is going to have its own little fireplace, and I kind of like the idea of adding some like pipes or tubes on the outside of the tower to kind of represent the chimneys. And then just adding in a few things here or there, like a desk, some bookshelves. I think I'm going to try my hand at making some more carpets and do them in a different fashion to lay out a little bit of something extra inside the towers. Now, I want each floor to be removable and interchangeable so that as time goes on, I can pick up the tower and take all the pieces off and then just kind of rearrange them however it is that I want. That way, the only section of the tower that's going to be the exact same every time would be the ground floor. So what I eventually settled on was there was going to be one floor of the tower that's going to be kind of like a sitting room, one that's going to be kind of like a library, and then I have enough materials. I'm going to make this a 4-floor tower, counting the ground floor. So we're going to have the ground floor entry hall, and then a laboratory, then a sitting room, then a library, and then the very top of the tower is going to be the bed chambers or sanctuary for the wizard. Now for the laboratory, I'm not 100% sold on this idea, but I like the idea and concept of some kind of like detached floating structure for like an observatory, or maybe where the wizard would go to have his, potion set up or something like that. I'll come up with something and we'll see how it goes. Once I had the rough designs kind of laid out, I did some haphazard labeling of what floor was going to be what. And again, these are all going to be magnetized and interchangeable, so labeling them as first floor, second floor, etc. doesn't really matter all that much. The only thing that really matters is that they all connect in the exact same place and they're all kind of interchangeable. Now, I wanted the top floor of the tower to be a little bit larger, so I grabbed a larger tin to kind of trace things out. And this is going to, again, be the bed chambers and the sanctuary. So this one is going to be a little bit simpler in its design, and it's going to, for the most part, just kind of be a little bit of a bedroom setup, and I think I'm going to build a couple of new bits of furniture to kind of go along with it. Maybe I'll add a balcony or something like that. But yeah, that's going to be the rough plan and layout of the build. My cat has finally settled down. So that's going to be the rough layout of the tower, and how everything is going to be put together is going to be done kind of on a weekly basis. So what I've got in mind is each week I'm going to release 2 videos for this project. This one is going to come out on a Friday, so that's going to be the first video of this. Oh, you're so cute. The first video of the series. The second video is going to be released the following Tuesday, and in that one we're going to put together the exterior, so the ground and how all that's going to get set up. And then what's going to happen is each week is going to kind of follow a set pattern. So on Fridays it will be one of the... Are you leaving me now? One of the floors of the tower, and then the following Tuesday is going to be building the interior and the decorations for that section. And that's going to probably take about 6 or so weeks to put the whole thing together. So each week we're going to build a section of the tower, paint it, and then set it onto the board, so that each week we can kind of see the progress and know how things are going to put together and kind of interlock. You are very affectionate today. Alright, so that's going to be everything for today. I hope everyone's excited for the project. I know I am. So thank you all for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe for future content, comment down in the comments section, and my kitty and I will see you next time.